Connect the world. Connect the future. We are constantly exploring what technology and life do people need in the future, and how to fulfill the dreams of our partners with professional technology and service. We continue to challenge existing technologies to connect customer needs with imagination in a diversified manner. And to create infinite possibilities. We continue to edge into the global market to bring intelligent platforms into our life. We are CviLux Group. Focusing on any minor detail is our long-lasting belief. By virtue of high-precision inspection equipment and a professional quality assurance team, we pass multiple high-quality certifications, including IATF 16949 for products with special specifications, and maintain strict standards for product quality. Boasting professional customized design and manufacturing capabilities, we analyze management issues by using big data from CviLux Group Portal System. We provide customers with the best solutions in real time through CviLux Digital Management Platform, professional drawing software, and top research and design teams. We adopt intelligent management system, from mold development to product completion, to meet different needs, and to build a vertically integrated production line. We keep tracking each manufacturing process to gain the best cost and create the best quality with automated precision equipment. We only offer our customers the best products and services. CviLux is a world leader in connector manufacturing and cable assembly to establish itself internationally. Deeply trusted and supported by customers from all over the world. CviLux lives up to customers' expectations in linking technology and life, and creating a promising future with our partners. CviLux Group. Connect the world. Connect the future.